Hello students, today we are going to do theorem 6.2 of class 10th. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So this is also known as converse of basic proportionality theorem or the converse of BPT. BPT ये कहता है कि if there is a line which is parallel to one side of a triangle, then it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. And theorem 6.2 या फिर उसका converse, it says कि अगर two sides, if a line cuts the two sides in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. तो ये parallel है, यही हमें इसे prove करना है. So in this case, what is given is DE is a line and it is intersecting AB and AC in same ratio, which means it is given that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Let's call it equation 1. Let's assume that DE is not parallel to BC. Then let's also assume that DE dash is parallel to BC. Now if DE dash is parallel to BC, then according to the BPT or the basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB should be equal to AE dash by E dash C, right? So this is our equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, you can see AD by DB is equal to AE by EC and AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. So दोनों की left hand side same है, तो right hand side भी same होगी, which means AE by EC is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Now we are going to add 1 to both sides. Then AE by EC plus 1 should be equal to AE dash by E dash C plus 1. और यहाँ पे हम common denominator ले लेंगे AC. So this will be AE plus EC. And this side it will be AE dash plus E dash C. So AE plus EC, we know that is AC. AC by EC is equal to AE dash plus E dash C. अगर आप figure में देखेंगे, that is also AC and here is E dash C. Now if they are equal, this AC will cancel and you are getting that EC is equal to E dash C. So we are getting EC is equal to E dash C. So that is only possible if E coincides with E dash. That is, E and E dash are the same points. Or we can write that DE is parallel to BC.